Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. Welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering and living a simpler life with less. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope that it benefits you. And if you keep coming back, thank you so much, and thanks for all of your wonderful comments. So sometimes the most important space in our home to declutter isn't the busiest room. It could be the quietest. So your bedroom sets the tone for how you begin and how you end each day. And if it's filled with clutter, it's harder to rest, to reconnect, and also to feel at peace. So today I'm going to share 5 simple ways to transform your bedroom into that place that will restore and rejuvenate you physically, mentally, and emotionally. So my first tip today is remove what doesn't belong. The challenge here is that the bedrooms become that overflow zone and the dumping ground for things like laundry baskets, work bags, unopened mail, and it creeps in when you're not even looking. So if you try this, just take 5 minutes to remove or relocate anything that doesn't support rest, sleep, and also intimacy. If it distracts you, it doesn't belong in your bedroom. My second tip is to clear the nightstands. For some reason, nightstands often turn into that catch-all for books, for magazines, phone chargers, water bottles, receipts, all kinds of stuff. So this creates visual clutter. And just as you're trying to wind down, that tends to wind you back up. So if you try this, just limit 3 calm, essential things to sit on your nightstand. A lamp, maybe a journal, or a small keepsake box, or a family photo. Simplifying that will signal that your brain is ready to take time for relaxing. And the third tip is simplify your bedding. So the challenge here is layers of pillows, and as a designer, of course, I love my pillows, but the mismatched blankets and the bedding, they don't create a restful room. They create a low level of stress. So if you try this, choose one beautiful comforter set or bedspread. Just keep it simple. A well-made bed that you can actually enjoy getting into sets the tone for a good night's rest. And my fourth tip is to tidy the floor for mental clarity. So the shoes, the socks, the cords, the laundry, on the floor, it makes the room look and feel messy. So when the floor is clean and clear, it helps clear your mind. Keep your floors clear by storing what you need in the closet or in the drawers. And my last tip today is editing the decorating for a more peaceful room. So the challenge is the busy patterns, the bold color palettes, and too many decorative objects can overstimulate your brain when you're trying to rest. So if you try this, stick to a simple, more neutral color palette and fewer well-selected pieces of art that evoke a peaceful atmosphere, and add soft lighting and peaceful music. And that will help you get that, that soft, gentle room. So your bedroom should support the rest and the rejuvenation that you're seeking, and it should not distract you. When it feels calm, restful, like your own sanctuary, everything in life will just feel a little bit lighter and a little bit easier. So if you're ready to simplify your home room by room, grab my room by room checklist. It's a workbook, just $1.99 in the link below. It'll guide you through each space. Start with the one that matters the most, and that could be your bedroom. And as always, if this video has helped you, like, subscribe, and also don't forget to share it with someone who could also use a little calm in their life. So I'll see you next week, and in the meanwhile, just keep it simple.